again, back with our day number 8 of 12 days of Tai Chi. And today's session is a slightly different movement than the ones that we've previously done. We're going to start with our feet wider than hip width, and we're going to go over to a side bow. I want you to turn that foot out so it's pointing to the side wall, and we're going to transfer our weight and step into our bow stance. So let's try that again. So over to side bow, then we're going to turn that foot out. So it's like our turning bow stance, but a little bit different. We're here to finish. Let's do that again. I'm going to continue this move, rock back. We're going to turn our foot out, transfer the weight, and we're going to tap through into our empty stance. So let's do that second little bit. So we're going to rock back, turn that front foot to 45 degrees, transfer the weight, and tap through into our empty stance. One more time here. So rock back, turn, transfer, and tap. Let's try all that on the other side. So wider than hip width. You can keep it smaller, might make it a little bit easier, particularly when we transfer the weight. So side bow, turning that foot, we transfer the weight into our bow stance. That's part one. Let's try that again. And moving on, part two, we're rocking back, turning that front foot out to the corner, transfer the weight, and tap through into our empty stance here. Let's try that again. Rock back, turn, transfer, and tap. One more time. Rock back, turn, transfer, and tap. Okay, so we're going to do two movements together. Snake creeps down and going into our golden rooster. So starting facing forwards, we're going to make our hook and bring our other hand palm to elbow. We're going to step that foot out, and if you can, make it slightly behind you. So if I do it here, you can see that my toe is lining up with the heel here. That's why we want to try and aim it. We're going to draw a smiley face. Snake creeps down and keeping it small and more upright so it's modified and easier and safer positioning for most people. We end up in our bow stance here. So we've got a striking hand and we've tucked our hook underneath like a duck's tail. We're going to rock back, we're turning, and then we're scooping this arm round and bring the other through to our golden rooster. Let's try that again. Make your hook, step it out, smiley face. We point the hands and toes to the same direction, transfer the weight, and then we rock back, we turn, hand on the table here, and then tap into our golden rooster. I'll do it side on. Let's try it the other way. Making our hook, stepping out. Rocking back, turn, hand on the table, through to golden rooster. Hook. Trying to make it smooth. One more time. I'll do it side on. Let's do that all again, and this time progress it so that we can add that golden rooster stands on one leg. Nice and solid, good posture. Okay. I'm going to travel diagonal to diagonal, so hopefully that gives you the best opportunity to see the whole movement. Off we go. Let's try it on the other side. Remember to join me for day 9 for our next 2 steps.